What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's video. My name is Brian. This is Flash Forex, and it is such a deal that you were able to click on this video. So this week we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies, and it's going to be a really interesting subject. So see you on the other side. So in my previous videos, and if you haven't watched this, it'll
A lot cooler if you did.
yes, exactly. And I am ecstatic that you're here. So anyway, Bitcoin, or rather cryptocurrencies, is a really controversial topic in this general sense. As you can see right here, uh, um, this is a weekend, and you can see it is the only active currency that is still live trading right now. You can see it's against other currencies, local, the USD, all that kind of stuff. And Bitcoin is has been around for a while now, and it's probably the most popular, the most known type of crypto. And I think that's really what it's all about, just the Bitcoin. There are others that I may not mention, the ones that you are seeing right there, the Litecoin, the Ripple, the Ethereum, the Ethereum. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, basically Bitcoin trading or investing majors around buying and selling these digital currencies at a profit. That's what everybody is out there doing. And just before I even get in any further on this, I am not a financial advisor, and if you're going to invest in this market, you need to realize that this is a potentially risky undertaking you're about to get into. And I do really hope you make money and you get out profitable, because my previous encounters have been like this.
The most spectacular of these was Vanguard at the end of 1950.
So anyway, that probably was because I did not have the general understanding and the dynamics of how Bitcoin or cryptocurrency works. Now this week I received a lot of emails and comments asking if I would do just a deep dive on it, and I spent the better part of this week just look.
Why
Because I have lost a lot of money that I've made using this Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies trading finesses, as I like to call them. But it is always important to be discreet, to be disciplined, because that way you're gonna have, you're gonna think logically and not allow your emotions to get in the way. So at this point, guys, I did not realize just how painstakingly boring this part would get, and I'm just with the interest of time, I'm going to briefly summarize what I was talking about. So basically, trading with Bitcoin or the other cryptocurrencies needs a lot of discretion, needs a lot of discipline and academic research. You need to get all that information, and you need to keep yourself well posted with the current affairs, with what the political world is doing, how the economic world around cryptocurrencies is doing, and that whole new concept. Similarly, if you're trying to invest, you need to also be informed, and you can get all these apps, all these signal applications or software that will alert you in case something comes up, in case there's a major event that's happening, like let's say the polls. The US are headed for their polls this coming month, and that sort of thing is always affecting how this particular currency is fluctuating, and it can either go in its favor or not exactly your way. But I think simply it is to make sure that you are well aligned with the world of cryptocurrency. Before you get into crypto, unless you're using your demo account, you need to be very disciplined with it, because it is not uncommon to see 40% swings in this type of trades moving in the market. Like you can see people making some very good profits, lucrative profits in cryptocurrencies, and at the same time you can see guys losing a lot of money in a very short time. So guys, I am really sorry this was not part of the video. So if you still feel like you're gonna click away, please, I have timestamps. You can jump to that part that you were probably waiting for. I will leave the timestamps in the description. And thank you very much for watching this. And I think other than that, the other parts are okay. They are well informative, they are intuitive, and they sure will help you. I know I've left out so much about this, but if you feel like there's something pressing that you need to ask, please just feel free, drop it down on the comment section, and hit a like the video.
Yes, sir.
And I'm
Yes,
using my
sir.
real-time day trading broker right here, and by the name EXNESS. It doesn't matter which broker company you're using, that's completely all on you. So guys, I think we're done, and have a great rest of your day. See you on the next one. Peace.